Hello and welcome to this conversation. I have been joined today by Rahul Pandey, Managing Director, India and SAARC at UTStarcom. Rahul, welcome to this conversation.
Thank you, Ashwini. Thank you for having me here. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for being here. Rahul, let me start with the basic question of what are the challenges and opportunities that you see in the telecom space as of now?
In terms of opportunities, we see there are a lot of opportunities starting with government initiatives of Make in India, the PLI schemes. We can see the current government is giving a lot of opportunities for having local manufacturing, having local design solutions. In terms of challenges, there are short-term challenges. We see the ecosystem is not completely built in terms of the raw material. We are still much dependent on the other countries that we have to import. I think we'll have to perhaps wait for some more time to have the complete ecosystem here so that our efficiency improves and we get more opportunity and the cost of product also get reduced.
Absolutely. Right. So challenges are more from the ecosystem perspective in terms of getting those materials.
Absolutely, yes.
Right. In terms of technology, a lot has changed in the past few years. Businesses have been driven by technology. What has been your priorities when it comes to technology selection, and also what's your innovation strategy?
Okay, so UTStarcom predominantly, if you see, has been very active when it comes to the innovation. We have innovated a lot of technologies and perhaps the first few to invent those technologies. When we talk about the IP technology like IP DSLAM, GEPON, IPTV, when it comes to the optical solutions, then the Packet Optical Solutions.
Right.
So our belief has always been to be the first one in terms of the innovation, and we never shy away when it comes to the investment on any new technology or anything which is coming, which is solving our customers' problem, and we see those are futuristics.
You touched upon the customer problem, and customer centricity again plays a very critical role. How are you trying to ensure that the relationship between both your customers and the stakeholders that you have within the organization, emerges stronger over a period of time?
Okay, so we have a very niche customers. At a time, we work only with a few customers and try to understand their problem, their challenges, as well as the cost of the solutions. In India, the ARPUs are not that great.
Right.
So customer expectations are always to have the best product with the
cost.
least prices.
Right.
Okay. We can say, we are perhaps the perfect mix of both the things when it comes to the technology innovations and when it comes to understand the customer requirement and making a solution. Similarly, as and when the new features are coming or any new standards are coming, so we are developing those solutions and trying to build in the existing solutions so that the cost of the customers are also not increasing. At the same time, we also see from environment perspective, also we have a smaller footprint. So in a smaller solution, we try to build maximum capacity. The cost is also not increasing, as well as the customer is getting good solutions, rather much better solution to meet their requirements as well as the future requirements.
Right. So you touched upon the environment piece. Sustainability again has emerged as one of the key topics for boardroom discussions. Now, how are you looking to ensure that the sustainability footprint increases, and there's a lot of work that happens around it?
Talking about the UTStarcom, we are focusing on few regions, and Japan has been our key market. And they are very sensitive about the sustainability, the environment, in terms of quality. So most of our products has been built keeping their requirements in mind. We work very closely with some of very large key customers out there. And we always ensure that we are using non-hazardous products when it comes to the manufacturing.
Right.
Moreover, we are more focusing on the software and building more capacity and using as less material as possible so that we create a better environment. Everyone, including us, are very concerned about the climate and about our future generation. And we are very sensitive when it comes to building any product, any solution. So that's, I think, the first and foremost thing which we keep while developing any solution.
Right, right. Last question that I had, Rahul, was from more from a management perspective. How would you define your leadership style? What is something that draws people towards you?
So when it comes to my leadership, I have learned from my managers earlier. UTStarcom culture has always been acknowledged by all the employees, all ex-employees, if you talk to anyone, not only in India but globally. We are very sensitive towards our employees. You see, culturally, we find ourselves as much better rated company. This thing has actually come in our leadership, and I feel that my job is also to create more leaders. So each of my department heads as well as all employees, they themselves are leaders, because I believe they are perfect and they are developing more skills to become better when it comes to their job, and everyone is very independent in what they are doing. So this will make me little free as well, because perhaps what they are doing, they are much better than me in their job. When it comes to anything, together we sit and try to solve a problem. So as a team, I feel we are a best team, and so is our customer is also acknowledging that.
Absolutely right, Rahul. Thank you so much for sharing your views with us. Absolute delight to have this conversation with you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ashwani.
Thank you. That was Rahul Pandey speaking with us. Do stay tuned for more such videos on ET Edge Insights. Thank you.